Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, I stopped at the Dollar Tree, so I bought a couple of items. So we have a small haul here. Let's get started. Okay, so these ceramic cameras came to the Dollar Tree not that long ago, and I'm noticing that they're two different kinds, so I just grabbed two more because I think these are really popular here. Everyone in my house uses cameras, and so do I. So you got this style, and then you have this one. Isn't that pretty? I think it's so nice. So I got two of those. Then around the summer stuff, I've been staring at this glass to do a DIY, and today I just finally purchased it. I think they're so pretty, but I'm going to use this in a DIY like I said. Then I did purchase one of the clear Elmer's glue. This hasn't been available for a while, but this works really great with crafts, and I don't know, I'm really happy with it, and I'm glad I found it. So I just grabbed one just to keep playing with it. I just started crafting with those. Then I just grabbed the tacky glue for emergencies in case. I don't know how I wound up in the food area, but my son wanted me to buy some sardines in the water or in the oil. I guess it didn't matter, and I didn't even know they even sold sardines, so I got just one in case, you know, in case he doesn't like it. And then he always likes to snack on the Kipper snack, so I grabbed one of each of these in that name brand. Let's see if he likes those. Okay, so we needed one of these foam blocks for floral arrangement, so I got one of these. And I'm always grabbing the dowels, especially the long ones, because I use those a lot in crafting. And this is not always available either. I think this is new, the multi-purpose cements. This is just now getting to my Dollar Tree, so I might have seen it at another store. I don't know. I can't seem to find it if I did buy it, but here we go. I had to get that again. Then I went over to where the pictures were, and I found this. Isn't that adorable? This is what, I don't know, I'm seeing a lot of DIYs using the bees. So I got two of these pictures because I have a planned DIY for this. It says "Let It Be" with the bees. Isn't that cute? So we got two of those. Then where it says coasters, like I think this is on the smaller side for a coaster, but I'm using it for decoration. So again, that's for a DIY. So I thought I would insert some photos of other galvanized pieces that our store was getting that I didn't buy. So here it is. I was so happy. So I've been saying that the galvanized metal pieces are coming in dribs and drabs, little here, little there. So today I saw the signs, the stand-up signs. I saw a couple of those, and then I saw some of these. Now these are only 3 in the pack, and I just grabbed these 2 because these are the only 2 I like to use. So this one is like the flower, okay, and they're a nice size, and this is the heart. I think this is going to come in so handy around Christmas time. So that's pretty much all I got. I just ran in there to get a couple of items that I needed for crafting and for some DIYs, and I was in and out. It's pouring over here where I am. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and if you like the video, click like, share, and comment, subscribe to the channel. Oh, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I'll see you in the next one.